what Josh's going to try to do now is actually doing a tail whip but in the air. So what he's going to do is he has to bunny hop first. Can you show an example of a bunny hop? Yeah, bunny hop like this. But whilst he's in the air, he actually has to whip the whole frame around and land back on the pedals. So guys, not being funny, but there is actually only 2 riders in the whole UK who could do this trick, and as far as I know, it has never ever been shown in a show. So this is the very first time, not even joking, not even exaggerating, the very first time that you're gonna see this trick in a show. So come on, make some noise if you wanna see it! We really cannot guarantee that Josh's gonna put it first go, but come on, Josh! Come on, Josh! Come on, Josh! Is he gonna do it? I can't believe he did it!
No. He's that excited, let go of his bike, tried to walk up, slapped it down. And he fell over his bike.
Right. Thank you very much, everyone. So now the show is over.